If you want your videos to rank higher in searches, get more views, and grow faster, this video is for you. Starting a YouTube channel can be pretty overwhelming. You post a video and nothing happens. The views trickle in and sometimes not at all. The truth is, you're competing with millions of other videos, many from well-established channels. SEO is like laying the groundwork. It's about understanding what people are searching for and how YouTube's algorithm works. Keywords, video tags, descriptions, and titles all come into play. The good news is that once you know how to optimize your content, your videos will start ranking higher, even if you don't have any subscribers to begin with. Let's dive into the key strategies I use to hit that million view milestone. Keyword research. Start by finding the exact terms people are searching for in your niche. Tools like Google Trends or even YouTube search suggestions are great for this. For example, I created videos targeting how to start a YouTube channel, a highly searched term with relatively low competition. Optimize titles and descriptions. Make sure your video titles are clear, specific, and contain your main keyword. Also, use your descriptions to provide more context and include your keywords naturally. Don't overstuff them though. Focus on readability. Tags and hashtags. YouTube uses tags to understand what your video is about. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. You can also add hashtags in your description, which can help in showing your video in more relevant searches. Thumbnails. Your thumbnail should grab attention and clearly show what your video is about. A great thumbnail gets people to click, which boosts your video's ranking. Consistency and engagement. Keep posting regularly and engage with your audience through comments. The more interaction your video gets, the more likely YouTube is to push it to new viewers. Now, don't expect overnight results. SEO takes time, but once you start applying these strategies, you'll see gradual improvements. Your videos will begin to rank, and over time, you'll notice an increase in views, even from people who haven't subscribed to you yet. So, if you're serious about growing your channel and getting more views, SEO is something you can't afford to ignore. It's not about having a big audience right from the start. It's about being smart with structuring your content. Trust the process, keep learning, and you'll be well on your way to hitting that million view mark. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on growing your YouTube channel.